Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2007 Lotus Elise. I've left it off. I'm going to turn it on for the video today because it's got a lovely sports exhaust on it. I thought it'd be quite nice to hear it start up. It's the 1.8S and it's got the touring pack. It's got the lovely upgraded wheels, 16-inch. Finished in Storm Titanium. It's a metallic grey. I've left the roof off. An elderly gentleman who's owned it since 2016, so he's had it for 10 years. I have got two keys. It's got a Cobra alarm system, so I'll have to demobilise it. The key goes in the top there, and then it's a fiberglass roof which reveals the 1.8 Toyota engine. The roof easily folds away with the service history in the Lotus books. I'm going to try and get into it whilst holding the camera, which is easier with the roof off. It's got the leather bucket seats, all in pretty good condition considering the age of it. So I have to demobilise it first and then we can start it up. This model's got air conditioning, so you can see that clicks in. Nice small steering wheel, carbon fibre gear knob, lights, has got a Pioneer CD radio. Enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, if you want to make an appointment to come have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.